Everyone, welcome you all for the session on fitting of a curve of the form y is equal to ax to the power of v. So as a part of your curve fitting, this is a third type of curve which fits to the data given must be found. So we have seen fitting of the data into the straight line equation, fitting of the data to second order parabolic equation, and now we are going to see an exponential curve of the form y is equal to ax to the power of b. So to find this, so how do we go ahead? So as usual procedure, first we have to find the normal equations. So finding the normal equations is slightly different from the earlier cases. So fitting of the curve of the form y is equal to ax to the power of b. So first we have to take the log to avoid this multiplication and the power. So take log to base e on both the sides. So which gives log y to base e is equal to log ax to the power of b. By using the properties of logarithm, log of ab is log a plus log b. So it is log a plus log x to the power of b because of this property. And now for simplifying further, log y as it is, log a is also as it is, plus log a to the power of x can be written as a log x. So it becomes b into log x to base e. So now I'll take log y as capital letter Y, log a as capital letter A, and b is as it is, log x to base e as capital letter X. Call this as equation 1. And look at this equation 1, which is a straight line equation. So equation of this form has been reduced to straight line equation. So once we get a straight line equation, we can write the normal equations as we have already discussed in the fitting of a straight line part. The same procedure we will apply and proceed it. The extra part is only this much, and wherever either in the internals or in the examination, it is must for you to show this first and then you have to proceed. So here capital letter Y is log y to base x, base e, and capital letter X is log x, and a is log a, or a is equal to e to the power of a. So in order to calculate the small a, we are going to use this formula. The normal equations for this are, first take the summation. So summation y is equal to n into summation n into a plus b into summation x. Multiply by capital letter X. Whatever the x you have, the same x you should multiply. So multiply and then take the summation. So summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So where capital letter A here is log a to base 10, and otherwise, in other words, small a is equal to 10 to the power of capital letter A. So by this form I am telling you here. So now this is what the calculation part we will be doing it first here, and then we will proceed for working out the problems. So look at the first problem. Fit the curve of the form y is equal to ax to the power of b by the principles of least square by the following data. So data given is this: x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the value of y is 0.52, 4.58 and 12.5. So let us find the solution. So consider the given curve. Apply the log on both the sides. So get the normal equations first as we have discussed. And the normal equations are equation 3 and 4. So this is our equation. The given equation was different, that we call it as 1. So equation of a straight line is equation 2, and normal equations are equation 3 and 4. So in order to find the value of a, so if a is log a to base 10, then a will be equal to 10 to the power of a. So this you have to remember, because here we are taking log a to base e. So everywhere to the base e has been considered. If it is base 10, then you have to apply this formula. So let us construct the table which fulfills all the requirement. So we want sum of all the values of x and y. Anyway, we have converted small x and small y to capital letter X and capital letter Y by using this substitutions. And we want some summation of all the x square values and xy values as per the normal equations. You want summation all the values of y, xy, x, and summation x square. So let us complete the table. X values are tabulated here, y values are tabulated here. Take log of 1 and enter it here. So in your calculator, you will have two options. One is log and the other one is ln. So observe carefully which is having base e. So ln will have the base e. So you have to operate only ln in your calculator. So ln of 1 is 0. ln of 2 is this. ln of 3, if you can do it in the calculator, you will get these values. ln of 4 is this and ln of 5 is this. So y values are tabulated here and we need to convert it into capital letter Y. So for each value of y, you have to operate log to base e on it. So ln of 0.5, that is log of 0.5 is this. Log of 2 is this. Log, that is to base e. So log of 4.5, log of 8 and log of 12.5. And then multiply these two values and tabulate it here. And then x square. So capital letter x values are here. Square them and tabulate it in the last column. So we need sum of all these values. Sum of all these values of x is this. Sum of all the values of y is this. Sum of all values of x and y is this. And sum of all values of x square is this. So let us substitute the in the normal equations, that is in equation 3 and 4. So equation 3 gives you this and equation 4 gives you this. So solve these equations simultaneously, which gives the value of a as minus 0.7543 and the value of b as 2.0640. And now substitute these values in your equation 2. Equation 2 was your straight line equation. So there we are substituting it. So that is not our solution because we have to fit the data into the equation of the form equation 1, that is y ax to the power of b. So for that we need the value of small a. Small a is equal to e to the power of a because a is equal to, so this is a is log a we have taken. Log capital letter A is equal to small a. So log of capital letter A is equal to small a. So capital letter A is equal to e to the power of a. Sorry, this is in the other way. So log small a is equal to capital letter A. Log small a is equal to capital letter A. Therefore, small a is equal to e to the power of a. So with that, we have to find the values with this formula and then we will be proceeding to get the values. So here a is equal to e to the power of a, e to the power of, the value of a here is minus 0.7543 and e to the power of that, that is anti-log you can write, or in your calculator you have to find e to the power of this value, even directly you can find it, which is 0.4703. And b is, capital letter B is same, which is 2.0640. And now we have to substitute small a and small b values in your equation 1, which gives the curve of best fit in the form of y is equal to ax to the power of b with the evaluated values of a and b. So similarly, let us work out in another problem. Fit a curve of the form y is equal to ax plus b for this data. And the solution, as usual, we have to find the normal equations first. Call the given equation as 1, take the log on both the sides and simplify. You get the equation of a straight line and write the normal equations for it and construct the table which fulfills all the requirement and substitute those values in the normal equations and simplify. Get the values of capital letter A and capital letter B. Substitute in equation 2, that is an equation of a straight line, which gives you this, but that is not the final answer. We have to obtain small a and small b values. Small a is e to the power of a and that gives 2.5426 and b value is as it is, and substitute them in your equation 1, which gives this answer. So that is a curve of best fit to the given data. So another problem, find the best value of a and b by fitting the law b is equal to a e to the power a t to the power of b using the method of least square for the data. So this is a data given. So as usual, here usually we have y is equal to a x to the power of b. So here y has been replaced by v and x is replaced by t. So accordingly you have to change the normal equations also. Consider the given equation, take log on both the sides. With the properties of logarithms, you can write the normal equations and you get equation of a straight line as v is equal to a plus bt. Call this as equation 2. And the normal equations for this are, take the summation throughout, that gives one normal equation, multiply by v and then take the summation which gives the second normal equation. So that is your equation 3 and 4 and we call them as normal equations. So construct the table which fulfills all the requirement, tabulate the t values, tabulate the v values. Evaluate capital letter T values and capital letter V values in this way and sum up all the values. sum all the values of v. Multiply t and v values, tabulate and sum up all the values. And square the t values and tabulate it and sum all these values, because all these are required in our normal equations. Substitute them in the equations. We get equation 5 and 6. On solving them, we get the value of capital letter A and capital letter B. We can substitute them in equation 2, which gives the equation of a straight line, but that is not our final answer. We have to get the value of small a and small b by using this formula. And those values of a and b which were obtained recently should be substituted in equation 1, and which gives the curve of best fit to the given data. So that is how you need to work out the problems on this. So if there is any other form of curves have been asked, we need to convert them to the known forms first, either to the straight line or to the parabolic equation, and then we have to proceed to get the answer. So that is for today. Thank you all.